This is the Aquatrax here, turbo. Already working on it. Look what I'm getting right now. Yep. That cannot be good. So we're back again. First couple hours of owning this. I'm suspecting the engine being frozen. Hopefully not, but we're gonna pull this housing off really quick, and then we shall see. Bucket's already off, reverse bucket. We'll clean this up, get this back on there, make sure everything moving nice and smooth. Man, salt water just beats up these keys, I tell you. Remember to flush your skis, folks, always. Fun times in the process. As you can see, we broke every single one of those studs off. No problem though, we have a welder, we have some extraction bolts. But this is just to show you guys, sea blast is serious. Check this out. These ones were nuts, now they're butts. I want you to look at that. Starts right up.